Activity entitled City or Town Immersion Activity. Instruction for this is students will be divided into groups and will go around their city or town to take pictures of any kind of subject in art that symbolizes the place. A subject may be an architecture, sculpture, landscape or cityscape, cultural performances or nature. Pictures of the subject of art will be presented in a class for critiquing through PowerPoint presentation of video format. As a brief introduction, the name Daet was derived from the Bicol word Daet-Daetan, which means close to each other. Daet, officially the municipality of Daet, is a first-class municipality and capital of Camarines Norte, Philippines. Daet is politically subdivided into 25 barangays. First is the Jose Rizal Monument. The first Rizal Monument built in February 1899. It is in correspondence to the decree by the first President of the Republic of the Philippines, Emilio Aguinaldo, to proclaim December 30, 1898 as a national day of mourning to commemorate the death of Jose Rizal in the hands of Spaniards then 2 years ago. Next is the La Consolacion College of Daet. It is a co-ed Catholic school established in 1948. In its first year, it was managed by the Bishop of Nueva Cáceres and by the governor that time. It was just in second year when the school was entrusted to the Augustinian Sister of the Philippines or ASP. LCC Daet proves efficiency through a relevant and quality program that is demonstrated by research practices. Students grow to become not only responsible members of their community, but also to be a Christ-centered and community-oriented Filipinos. Another is Aloiho Fertility Dam. This dam serves as a life support to the 5 municipalities in Camarines Norte since it nourished the respective rice paddies and agricultural products. Daet Heritage Center. Formerly a municipal hall and a police station, was converted to a library and a museum. The museum showcases antiques and furniture contributed by locals and memoirs of noteworthy personalities from Daet like Manuel Conde, a multi-awarded director known for his work. The St. John the Baptist Church, or also known as the Parroquia de San Juan Bautista, is a Roman Catholic church located in Daet, Camarines Norte, Philippines. The Franciscan friars built it in 1611. It is one of the oldest churches in Camarines Norte. The first church was dedicated to the glorious precursor St. John the Baptist, whose feast day is on June 24. Camarines Norte State College originated from Camarines Norte High School, established in 1920. In 1973, Parliamentary Bill 2378 signed into the law CNHS to Camarines Norte National High School. On April 2, 1992, RA number 7352, known as the CNSC Charter, converted CNNHS in CNSC. August 22, 2019, RA 11399 converted CNSC status, and the remaining institutions like the University of Camarines Norte currently working on compliance with requirements to become a fully fledged university. For the record of Camarines Norte, Camarines Norte State College or University of Camarines Norte is the first ever university in town. The Daet Cathedral, or also known as the Cathedral of the Most Holy Trinity, is a prominent Latin Rite Roman Catholic cathedral located in Daet, Camarines Norte, Philippines. It was erected in 1984 after the Diocese of Daet was created by Papal Bull on May 27, 1974. The Bagasbas Beach attracts a lot of tourists as well. Known for its consistent wave quality for surfing, the long stretch of wide beach is rarely really crowded. Access is free with local shops, amenities, and dining along the road. Second to the last is the Cory Aquino Boulevard. It is the longest boulevard in the Philippines at 8.7 kilometers, has recently been inaugurated. Not only does it make travel within the Bicol region faster, but it also makes it more enjoyable with the fantastic views. It passes through the town of Mercedes, Daet, Talisay, and Vincents. The Department of Tourism hopes for it to drum up visit to Calagos Island in the town of Vincents, Bagasbas Beach in Daet, San Jose Beach in Talisay, and to the fishbowl capital of Bicol, Mercedes. Lastly, the provincial capital of Camarines Norte. It is one of the most beautiful provincial capital in the entire country, reconstructed from 1986 to 1995. It provides a permanent seat for the provincial government of Camarines Norte. The structure and landmark itself is reputed to the most poshly constructed provincial government in the Bicol region.